Go to bed in rods? Who let me turn 34? One of y'all said, hey, Janae can keep aging. So somebody in the comments, somebody on here that's watching. On my elbows, no point in putting some lotion on now. It's the end of the day. Okay. So crazy when your hair looks good. You do not want to touch it. We're gonna use some water as well. We're gonna wake this hair back up so that can be nice and juicy. Okay. To some, counterproductive. To me, it makes sense. Now, should I low-key in real life do a perm rod set? Yeah. But I really don't want to do a perm rod set. But I guess I could. It's been easy to maintain, honestly, too. Not to say a twist out doesn't, but I just need to find them. Because then I would feel less pressure for my hair to have to curl back up. So am I switching on y'all? Are we doing this instead? Go to bed in rods? Ugh. I just don't want to have to wait for my hair to curl back up. And maybe I'm being impatient. Okay. Okay. You got me. Now what? I need a brush. I ain't ready. We're smoothing it on the rod. And going on top of that hair to keep it in place. Then we roll up the rod. I just have a habit of doing that. You don't have to do that. Just roll up the rod and make sure it's not overlapping. Once again, the way it looks on a rod is more than likely how it's going to come out. So we want to be mindful. I feel like so far I've had a perm rod set for my last 3 birthdays. I think I'm talking too fast, too soon. My hair was in a puff last year. Never mind. I did not do that. Liberian girl. But still, let me know how you like the movie. What would you rate the movie? All in all, fire. Fire. Are you kidding me? He did what he needed to do to play that role. He did it up. It was crazy. That was wild to watch. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was aware of Michael Jackson after he passed away. I know, don't come for me. I want to be honest with you. I just didn't really know about him for real. It wasn't talked about enough in my camp. Okay? Also, I'm not a music head. So like some things I'm like, huh? Who's that? But when I did get hit, I got hit. So I feel like this is like a good thing for people that just miss Michael, you know? So this is their time to kind of like relive it through Jafar, but hopefully not in a way where Jafar feels like he has to live or be his uncle for the rest of his life. We don't want that for him. But he did so good. And I'm gonna say it. And if it's selfish, I definitely understand. Does he need to go on a tour for us? Does he need to go on a tour for us? I just feel like but still play his own songs too. I don't know. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of singing in one day. But I feel like if he sing for us, sorry, I didn't wake the hair up for real. That's what y'all see me doing here. Trying to talk in. I need to let the hair swell. But so I'm just saying, he did it so well. We kind of like, hey, can you give us a concert? That may be selfish though, cause that man probably like, I ain't trying to be this for the rest of my life. Y'all gonna let me do other roles, right? Like, give me something else. And it's like we can't keep him there. That ain't right. That ain't fair. But he did so well. Like, okay, yeah, you family, but you actually did it. Like, you did what you needed to do. So, let me know what y'all think. Is it selfish to ask for a tour? And Jermaine can't be playing him. We don't need that Joe energy. We don't want that. This is a very big section. Just want y'all to know. Like, I'm aware that was kind of, it's a big section. Yeah, so let me know. And I know it's well because a lot of Michael Jackson fans are saying that he did it so well. And I know that's a big compliment because y'all don't play. Excuse me? Y'all don't play. Look how straight that hair is. This is why I'm trying to wait for it to wake up just a little bit. This is wow. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts. How many times have you seen the movie already? Talk to your girl about that too. Also, let's talk about Devil Wears Prada. That movie gave me the same feeling that Freaky Friday gave me. Freaky Friday 2. Where like just watching it again just felt so nostalgic. And that the characters did well as well. And the characters did well. It was just an overall good movie. Just like, wow, I enjoyed that. That's how I feel about that movie. Okay, it's trying, but I literally cannot be here all day. Let's see, it's trying up there, but I can't be here all day. So at least we got a little something. Dryer, then I also slept with these in. Flexi rods is the problem. That's the problem when I go to bed. This size, no problem. The yellow ones, no problem. The orange ones, that's a little tricky. But not too bad. You love a fresh cut. Bounce. Okay. Cancel what it do. Now I ain't got much memory on this. I ain't got much space on this memory card, so we're gonna pause and we're gonna bounce back in. Okay, see you in a second.
And so
It's your birthday.
I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. You know what it is. There's only one that you like.
Don't play that.
This only one.
It's your favorite.
Ew. That's auntie. You know what always reminds me of that Michael Jackson scene. Give me some butter if you can.
See? Figure it out. So you really figured it out last night.
Hi guys. Nope, is cute.
You like it, bro?
Yeah, I do. What are your shoes?
This.
Oh, very nice. Okay, heels, yes.
I got these. The Hill's birthday.
Yes.
Or my gold ones, but they in the car. But
Yeah, we out. We outside with it. We outside. Told me last night. Get up. Get up.
he suggested it, and I said, you know what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I suggested it earlier that day. No.
No.
I'm about to snuggle in bed. Hey. Yeah. It is an honor. It is an honor to do that for her. I'll get up at 5 if I needed to.
I ain't getting up.
She ain't read my card.
Okay, no, when I tell you, I literally was trying to tell you that before I left out, like, hey, is this something I need to read in front of you? Literally.
It's good. It wasn't.
It's long.
No, it's okay.
But you can tell me in person.
I wrote a little bit. Greatest of best friends. Your best friend. I love her deeply and thankful for her in my life, and any sacrifice that I can do for her, it is done.
This is a sacrifice.
You said what?
Because I said this is a sacrifice.
It's okay.
A lot going on.
But it is an honor.
It's an honor.
Seriously, I'm not
Honor.
joking.
You have
Like,
to show
know how
up
I
for each other. Yeah.
show up for you. I'm not talking about, you're not talking about me, I'm talking about you.
Oh, right.
It is an honor to show up for her. Y'all don't know how big her heart is, and her heart is so big, and she loves deep. She doesn't love everybody, but wow, to be picked is a great it
Be
is
on
a
the
great-
roll
it's
and
a
then she
great
snatch
deal.
it back.
It is a great deal, because you be like, wow, it's a blessing. It is a blessing.
Thank you. That's fun.
Oh.
Doing.
I think it was the one I looked up.
Okay. Oh, tiptoe through the tulips. Okay.
That's what it's called?
That's what that thing say. You see something?
That needs to be cute.
Okay.
But dang, you gonna angle it this way?
Yeah, I was gonna stand here to get this, but without the logo. But I was gonna get the blue.
Oh, you just want, just right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But I've never sat. I haven't sat in a while, so I was like, if you see something with sitting, that's fine. But does your friend love you? And yours don't.
Don't look at the print. Go low a little bit.
Just know you did excellent. It is me.
Oh, what's wrong?
Yeah. I don't know if I want to end the street though.
That's the problem. I was like, I can try to get super close. So
I
this
realize
gets your full.
I'm ashy, so yeah, I gotta cover that bit.
This gives the full frame. You don't have any really high and low. You like that part in your hair? Yes, that's good. All right, ready?
Move them around.
Okay.
So this is on purpose.
Okay. You know that's we gotta move it.